On September 2, 2025, Evanston police found a woman asleep behind the wheel of a running 2009 Mercury, still in gear, and when they tried to wake her, she suddenly took off in the car. What she was running from would only make her situation worse.
Try the other door. Hi, Evanston police. You're on Bodycam. Can you toss the car in park for me? Can you put the car in park for me? Can you roll down the window? Putting the pants on. Can you roll down the window for me? Yeah. I see you just... How's it going? Can you toss the car in park for a moment?
Yeah, I don't know why it's in park.
It's in drive right now. Can you put it in park?
Yeah, I got you.
I appreciate you. The gear shifter to the right. Can you just toss it in park for me? Yes. Nope. Stay right where you are, ma'am. Right where you are. Just toss it right in park. Yeah, no. Just put the from drive into park. Just move it up 3 spaces.
But I'm saying I gotta move.
No. You're good right where you are. You're good right. Ma'am. Can you just stay right here? Can you just toss it in park for me? One more. Beautiful. Okay. Do you want to put your pants up?
Yeah, that's all I was trying to do.
No, you're good. You're good. No. You leave the park. No. Where are you going? Ma'am. What are we doing? 74. The vehicle is taking off eastbound on Greenleaf from Dodge. The driver's awake, and she's heavily intoxicated. A female black driver, probably 30 to 40 years old, with dreads, heavy set. Where did she go? This is her. 74, she's right in front of me, parked in front of the edges, right here.
74 is with the subject in front of you.
Hi. Alright, so, why'd you take off from me a moment ago?
51, we light out.
Because I gotta get home.
I know, but you're home right here. So
I'm sorry.
You're good. Can you pop over right over here for me?
Yes.
Do you have any firearms or anything like that?
I don't know, bro.
Okay. I'm just checking to make sure.
No, I don't.
Okay. So, can you keep your hands out of your pockets for me?
Yes.
So you said no firearms, nothing like that? You're on body cam again, I gotta let you know.
Bro, come on, bro, please.
What happened right over there?
Because I don't want to go to jail, bro, please.
Why would you go to jail?
Because my license is suspended.
Oh, yeah, video.
Your license? What's your license suspended for?
DUI.
It's suspended for DUI?
Yes.
How much did you have to drink tonight?
No, I'm not drinking.
I don't know about that.
No, I'm not drinking.
You were just parked up at the red light right in front of me. It took a minute to wake you up.
I'm not drinking, bro. I'm
Okay.
not drinking.
Not right now. How much did you drink earlier?
I'm not drinking.
Okay. How much you smoke?
I'm not smoking. This is my house. I just take care of my family, and I can't afford to. I just told you I had been drinking.
I know. You just told me you had been drinking?
No, I told you I'm not drinking.
You told me you're not drinking. Okay.
Yes.
So your license is suspended for DUI?
Yes.
Is that why you took off?
Yes.
Okay. So, are you okay to walk in a straight line and everything like that?
Yes.
Okay. So, I'm going to have my partner, can she pat you down for firearms really quick? Do you have any weapons on you?
Can I park?
You're parked right now. Do you want me to turn
No, it's not. It's not.
It's good for right now. We're going to leave it how it is. Can my partner pat you down for any weapons? Okay, perfect. Just stay right over here. Appreciate it.
Don't do that in front of my house, please. I got my neighbors.
I know you got your neighbors and all that,
trying to
but
stop.
we got a few things to work through right now. A little bit of things that concern me tonight, and
This is my house. I'm right here.
I understand. However, you're putting me in a difficult spot, so we got to do a couple things to rule out all of the possibilities that there might be intoxicants. So, yeah, careful, don't fall into them.
Okay, I'm just gonna put you down, okay?
Do you want me to turn your car off so it's not wasting gas?
The keys in there, bro.
Do you want me to turn it off?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that real quick. Alright, just so you're not wasting gas or nothing.
Alright, thank you, bro.
Of course, I got you.
I don't sell weed.
I never...
Look what's in front of my house. I'm part of the union.
Yeah.
Like, I'm the breadwinner in my family right now.
Yeah.
If anything
So why were you passed out at the red light over there at Dodge and Greenleaf?
No, I wasn't passed out. I was just like on my Me and my girl, if you look me up, I never, ever in my life ran from the police. Ever.
Just tonight.
I swear to God, this is the first
where
time.
were you coming from?
I was coming from downtown, sir.
Okay, what were you doing downtown?
Matter of fact, I was coming from Wrigley Field. I was in, I didn't go out last night, and I was supposed to meet up with somebody last night, and I didn't meet up with them last night, and I met up with them at Wrigley Field, right across. If you look at my car, you'll see stuff from 7-Eleven. Yeah, like.
So I rolled up, and you also had your pants down, right?
Patrick and Howie, y'all can clear.
Because I piss outside.
You pissed outside?
Yes, I piss outside.
Okay.
That's why.
Sounds good.
I had to pee. And I pulled to the side, I pissed outside, and then I was a little embarrassed, and I hurry up and get back in my car, and then I piss outside. That's why I'm
just might have fallen asleep in the car, because when I walked up, you were asleep. That's the thing. So you say you'd be able to walk in a straight line and everything like that tonight?
Yes, sir. I would.
I know it's extremely dark over here, unfortunately, but fortunately, Officer Brown has a flashlight.
Oh, man, I work hard, too, so I might be tired, but one thing, I ain't freaking, I'm not, after that, bro, I've been going to therapy. Like, I will show you, like, I'm okay. Like, I'm not driving and drinking, none of that shit. Like, if you want me to walk a straight line, like, I will.
Yeah, there's a few things I'm going to ask you to do, okay? Just to make sure that you're okay.
Yeah, that's
and
for
based
sure.
on everything tonight, okay? Do you have any eye problems or abnormalities?
No, I'm good.
How is your general health?
I'm good.
Do you wear contacts?
No.
All right, perfect. I want you to put your feet together and your arms down at your sides, just like this for me, okay? I want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your, right here, tip of my pen. I'm going to ask you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
Do not move your head, okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Perfect. Do you know the English alphabet?
Yeah.
Would you be able to say, but not sing, the letter D to the letter P, starting with D and ending with P?
So you don't want me to say D and P?
Yes, say D and say P. Recite the alphabet from the letter D to the letter P, starting with D and ending with P.
Hold on, I don't understand.
Recite the English alphabet from the letter D to P by just saying it and not singing it.
Hold on. You want me to say the alphabet?
Yes.
But don't say D and P?
Say D and say P. Start with D and end at P.
What? That's a trick.
Or
How much? What? How much?
like D, E, F, all the way to P.
Bro, everybody knows if you have to sing the alphabet, you have to do the whole thing.
Okay. Would you be able to try to the best of your ability?
I can do the whole thing, yes.
Sure, I'll hear that as well.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, F, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S, O, P, W, V. You making me feel dumb right
All
now.
good.
You making me feel dumb
What's
right
your first
now.
language?
My first language is Creole, and then I speak French.
Creole and French, okay.
I speak Creole, French, and English.
Do you know how to count backwards? From like 57?
Oh, I know how to count.
Would you be able to count backwards from 57 to 42?
Yeah.
All right. Whenever you're ready, to the best of your ability.
57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 46, 47.
All right. Do you remember what I asked you to count down to?
50 to 47.
57 to 42. So, that's that.
I mean, just said it backward.
Do you take any prescription medication?
No, sir.
Okay. So what were you taking tonight? Were you drinking or were you smoking? Because I know you're under the influence.
No, I am not.
Okay.
I'm tired.
When's the last time you slept?
Oh, man.
Yeah, careful. I don't want you falling over.
I don't want you to fall over that behind you.
Bro,
Get closer.
this is my neighborhood.
I understand.
Yeah,
I understand.
I trip in
Well,
my own
what-
It's a circle thing behind you, right?
What's in the cup in your center console?
Oh, a big cup of water.
Cup of water.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
It's a big cup of ashtray because I got a problem. I try to stop smoking cigarette, but I can't. if you look to my car, I will have like these. You gonna find like 5 of these in 1 pack of cigarette.
Okay.
So I have 2 cup holder in my car. One of them is full of cigarette, and the other one is full of a big cup of water, bro.
Here's the thing. I know you said your license is suspended for the DUI.
Yes.
There's a fleeing and eluding that occurred, as well as you're displaying multiple signs of impairment, okay?
You said I did what?
You're displaying multiple signs of impairment, okay?
I did what?
Displaying multiple signs of impairment.
How, bro?
So, at this point, you're going to be placed under arrest for DUI. We got to go to the station. We're going to ask
What
you to place
about
your
my
hands.
car?
We'll figure that out. I'm going to ask you to place your hands behind your back. You're being placed under arrest for a moment.
So you going to tow my car? Can you leave my car?
I unfortunately cannot.
A subsequent inventory of the vehicle turned up an open bottle of tequila in the trunk. Kimberly David was arrested for DUI and taken into custody without incident.